Tashidale, and good evening. We are very pleased to have the presence of His Excellency Ambassador from the Embassy of Mongolia, the Mayor of London Borough of Southwark Council, officials from the Office of Tibet, former Tibetan MP and former representative of His Holiness Dalai Lama, representatives from the Himalayan Buddhist community, Yogi-based Tibet-related organizations, Tibetan Burn Study and Buddhist centers, fellow Tibetans and friends of Tibet. As chairman of the Tibetan community in Britain, first of all, I welcome you all to this very special event, which we put together with help from our members, by my colleagues on the council in the last couple of months. I hope you will enjoy and have some fun this evening. On this very special occasion, the 25th anniversary of the awarding of the Nobel Peace Prize to His Holiness Dalai Lama, on behalf of all the members of the Tibetan community in Britain, I take this opportunity to express our fondest and warmest wishes, as well as our deep respect to His Holiness, our spiritual leader, the symbol of Tibet and the Tibetan people. I also wish to express our sincere gratitude to His Holiness for his unwavering and compassionate leadership that he has shown to the people of Tibet for well over 60 years. In Tibet, we know His Holiness made concerted efforts to bring about the necessary reforms to the old Tibetan society since his early age. His Holiness assumed the temporal leadership when he was only 16, at a time when the invading force, the Communist China, started the brutal aggression on the Tibetan people. In exile, Dalai Lama's far-sighted vision on introducing democracy and the adoption of middle way approach towards a mutually acceptable resolution to the China-Tibet conflict through non-violence are enabling a sustained freedom struggle campaign for the Tibet movement. His Holiness's continued advocacy on the promotion of dialogue between the two sides, the Chinese and the Tibetan peoples, aids to secure a lasting peace on the Tibetan plateau, which could have a global impact. Today, His Holiness the Dalai Lama is universally recognized as a leading champion for the world peace, a leading promoter of interfaith and religious harmony, a free spokesperson on human rights and environmental protection. His Holiness the Dalai Lama is the beacon of hope for the Tibetan people who are longing to regain their political, religious, and cultural freedoms from the ongoing China's occupation of Tibet. 2.5 years ago, another international prestigious award, the Templeton Prize, was conferred to His Holiness Dalai Lama in London at St. Paul's Cathedral, when His Holiness also met with Prime Minister David Cameron and Deputy Prime Minister Nick Clegg. Such honors are in recognition of His Holiness's continued humanitarian and global philanthropic works, as well as ongoing contribution to the scientific community for the betterment of whole humanity. Needless to mention is his commitment to the Buddhist community worldwide and his efforts towards promoting a more ethical society globally. His Holiness the Dalai Lama is also the patron of Tibetan community in Britain. At community level, with my fellow council members, 7 of us, I pledge to work towards strengthening and implementing democratic processes over the next 2 years, with with clear objectives in place to reform and reorganize ourselves as a community and lay a stronger foundation for a new Tibetan community UK. A community we all can be proud of, a community we all belong to, a community we can make difference towards achieving the initial aims and objectives our elders founded some 44 years ago. Currently, about 40% of our Tibetan members live outside the Greater London region. It is about time we outreach and increase our communications with members living outside Greater London. It is about time we discuss and try different ways to secure our shared interests, including the preservation of Tibet's unique culture, which has the great potential to make a big contribution to our host country. It is about time we as a community become a stronger voice for Tibetans in Tibet. Finally, long live His Holiness the Dalai Lama. Thank you. Tujiche. I would like to say a few words in Tibetan. Tari today's Sampudiliya, Puri, Ina Yoga Puri, Samulaya, Yatani Puri Sobe, Sabchi Tomadila, Manzola, maybe Uti, Chino, Sakiamuchi, Konachola, Positilo Demara, and Manzuki Kunagi, Kalo Karinawati, Mixegi, Tari Manzu Pulegi, Loni, Manzu Puriso, Shepchuiki, Kele and Jayu, Cesar. Manzo tamje tsamwe tone loni de manzo poliso wala shaji ko shugi is tari memang dina shedo shugi shu ni tara kosol manzo Himalaya ki Buddhist community such UK manzo namdula manzo shaudu lega khandi ko chie is ni tunju ni namdula manzo kasule shagyo chija chalai karina namshu karina ko cooperation kari che ko manzo chie is di shugi shu ani tunju kaso tuya samudiliya kaso buga be sinje Chin Manjalaga Mampuchinda Yunaya, Karibu, Mimachu, Cooperation, Cesar Manzo, Mimachu, Shadun of the Narroches, Bigushway, and Mimachu, Lodere, Samzure, Labjare, the Kali Yobe, Manzo Narroches, Manzo Mimega, something in years, Karis and Petisha, and the Lochimola, Yusue, Manzo Pule, Suroso, Karnashas, online savage Namasha, Tibati, Yakulo. 제가 아주 미만의 삼주 그래샤니 단계적으로 선에서도 도에게 배전을 지지리요. 제가 미만의 삼주 딜레이트에서 아주 지배기 다가서래 shared interest와 딜라 아주 강대지제 아주 차능력들에 내가 지금도 제가 아주 달리 굴레이게 고티제 한다 로니나라 아주 즉 사마라 마소는 야고 선생님이 제리요. 제가 아주 미만서 가디오이나 차능력들 나로 나서 누구시요 So Chishudi, the Leggy, as a game hanging, only a day, Minaso, and so Kanishe, Lodishway, Dosachi Naronas, Dosachi Naronas, Yansi Sundu, the Manju Bilena, and the Dosachi Yabu years, and the Manju the Dosachi Suchi the Tangis, China, Monzulega, Monzuki, Language of the Yak, something to me, Yong Shure, in a young Manju Levaki, Chiviki, Legally Yak, and the condition in South Susu. 이 맞은 귤레 나오네. 삼도 투고도 단대자가 삼도 투고도 동무도 제사 미만 나오네. 삼도 가리어가 있나. 근데 망주가 나와 요새 땅에 돈에 개인 같은 시에지 아니 가수래 맞아 기초 샤지 가수래 냠도 여기에 나이기 맞아 배전 시기니 미만 소리 수 가수 개변하러 나스 이슈에이 아니 지들이야 안들에 로지마 겨울무지 비기요래 제사 맞아 불소배 단대 귤레기 내가지가 방도시 디디기요 제사야 두절레베 값수 먼저 가수래 된주님들라다 된주님들을 먼저 가리지고 있나 지금 있어 제가 반대 대시기 겸하고 있거든요. 아니 미만소의 비구직 수에 그것은 미만님들과 만족이 커뮤니케이션 다들 숙시도 땅도요 제사 미만소의 가장 이메일이나 자동이 가장 포스터 커뮤니케이션 만들 때는 지에게 배전 식주고 지에 세상 만들 자동이 가장 되다 아니 이메일 가장 야구지 맞다 다리 손에 약게 쌓이 세상 누구 수제 먼저 가장 야구지 나오는 스티 근데 디토니 시작이 한 다리 건너 쪼이 말아봐요. 그냥 먼저 이벤트 시다 지금 로사츠와 수바디 지금 이외 아니 다리 유사지로 소위에 한 대단 제베 지금 수바나라다 수주도 내래 내가 나시 로비지에 로츠만 로시에 나 수주 가서 페리스다 먼저 브리츠오가 그냥 냠술 지기에 가서 중국 바로 프로데스 그 친구 지시기에 마신이 먼저 그 중재 가서 네이티브 스타트 무슨 이제 타임 우리 이메일 무슨 이제 타임 보시면 아니 한마디 지는 가서 좀 치고 이제 칠 때마다 아니 먼저 베베 용기 먼저 베베 성매게 gemuru 겨울을 치라 그런 비소문은 기하지 나는 산에 나가이나 베리초가 얘기 그랬다는 것도 사마적인 것도 아니 베비다 제 아니 다른 조용한 쇼스 touch him. Thank you very much.